Girl, I can't notice but to notice you, noticing me. From across the room, I can see it and can't stop myself from looking and noticing you, noticing me. Watch out, I've seen a type before. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is so. I've seen a type before. She's so dangerous. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is so bad to the bone. Everything locked like a 2-3 zone. I wanted to make my black home. Talk a little bit, then he take that on. She bad and she know the deal. That's what I can't hide. What she wanna conceal. I mean, for me, she good and had it big. Put together, ran close to the drippy. I see no.